Samantala, ipinagmalaki ngayon ni Noy Aquino sa Japan Academe Community ang bunga ng good governance o mabuting pamamahala sa Pilipinas. Inihayag ito ni Pangulong Aquino matapos niyang tanggapin ang Honorary Doctor of Law degree mula sa Sophia University sa Japan. Ayon sa Pangulo, ang dating pangamba at kawalan ng tiwala ay napalitan na ng kumpiyansa maging sa international community. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita.
Binigyang halaga ni Pangulo Aquino ang matuto at bumangon mula sa madilim na nakaraan. Ito ang naging mensahe ng Pangulo sa pagkakaloob sa kanya ng Honorary Doctoral Law degree ng Sophia University sa Tokyo. Inihalimbawa ng Pangulo ang ginawang reforma sa pamahalaan upang mapanagot ang mga nag-abuso sa kapangyarihan at kaba ng bayan.
We must realize only when a society learns the lessons of its past can it truly move forward. Perhaps some of you are familiar with the horrors that our country had to go through only a generation ago, and my people's struggle and eventual triumph to restore democracy. One man's quest to make himself the one and only supreme law led to the establishment of a dictatorship under Ferdinand Marcos. It was our collective quest against tyranny that ultimately led to our 1987 Constitution, which create a society that is just, humane, and inclusive. This is what my mother upheld during her term. But unfortunately, not all of her successors shared that same dedication. This led my mother to continue campaigning for democracy even after she left office, even if it meant speaking out against some of my predecessors who committed grave abuses of their power and trampled on the rights of a lot of our countrymen. It is also what led me to the presidency because the message that the Filipino people delivered in the 2010 elections was clear and unequivocal. The vicious cycle of impunity, inequality, and corruption must end. It must be replaced with a virtuous cycle that replaces secrecy with transparency and replaces doubt with confidence.
Taong 1973 na ipagkaloob ang honorary degree sa isang Pilipino na si Father Horacio de la Costa na nagsilbi na ring inspirasyon ng Pangulo.
In such a lopsided fight, my father embarked on a hunger strike to protest the lack of a fair trial. It was during this chapter in his life that Father de la Costa, whose opinion my father truly respected, imparted his wisdom to my father. He said, and I'm paraphrasing at this point in time, "If you think you are brave because you're going to die, I tell you it takes more courage to live." I took this to mean that dying, you finish your problem. Living, you continue with the struggle and the fight for that which is right. As a member of a younger generation, both as a product of a Jesuit education and as a Filipino, I am heir to the wisdom of Father de la Costa and to the wisdom of all the great men and women who have come before me. I am duty-bound to continue where they left off, helping my country tread the path towards social justice and economic progress, pursuing not merely growth but inclusive growth. I am conscious that as I speak in this campus today, I speak for my entire nation, a people with whom the Japanese have built new and enduring ties of friendship.
Ipinakaloob ng Sophia University ang pagkilala sa naging kontribusyon ng Pangulo sa pagsusulong sa mabuting pamunuan, partikular na ang reformang politikal at ekonomiya, pati ng agarang pagpapabot ng tulong ng tumamang dindo sa Japan noong 2011. Kinilala rin ng pamunuan ng Sophia University ang determinasyon ng Aquino administration na matamo ang tunay na kapayapaan sa Mindanao. Ang Japan ay kabilang sa International Monitoring Team at International Contact Group sa isinusulong na peace talk sa pagitan ng gobyerno at MILF. Nakita rin ng Universidad ng Pilipinas sa imahe ng korupsyon sa ilalim ng tuwid na landas na pamunuan na nagresulta sa pag-angat ng Philippine economy sa iba pang ASEAN economies. Binigyang halaga rin ni Pangulong Aquino ang pagiging mabuting kaibigan ng Japan na isa sa mga unang nagpahatid ng suporta na maupo sa pwesto si dating Pangulong Corazon Aquino.
The lessons for all of us here can be gathered from the words that have long been enshrined in this university seal. Lux Veritatis, the light of truth. All of us, men and women, Japanese and Filipino alike, must strive to be bearers of light in the darkest moments of our fellow men, offering the illumination of comfort and company. By focusing on the other, we enable all to rise out of apathy. We begin to find collective solutions to our problems instead of being defeated by what a single individual may consider a daunting task.
Pero sinabi ni Pangulong Aquino na dapat sumentro na rin ang kooperasyon ng Pilipinas at Japan sa kaunlaran hindi lamang sa reconstruction at rehabilitation. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Tokyo, Japan.